At the school gate, Hasan and Maria spot a poster. Sadaqah Jar Challenge. This week, the more kindness, the bigger the smiles.
Let's join.
And track every good deed.
Sadaqah isn't only coins. Helping, sharing, smiles all count.
They make a clear jar with a yellow heart. We'll add a note for each deed, why we did it.
Kindness counts too.
Day 1. At the market corner.
Let me help you, Auntie.
Bless you both. Put this in your jar.
Day 2. Free pencil sharpening. Donate if you wish.
A thank you sticker? That's Sadaqah too.
Day 3. Through a narrow alley. Hear that?
A tiny shivering kitten. Should we take a little to buy biscuits?
Feeding the hungry is sadaqah. They take 10 taka. Biscuits and water bought. Eat up, little one.
You did well. Here, envelope for your jar.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Day 4. Rain slicks the lanes. Got it.
Nice catch. Safety first.
Friday assembly.
Returned a borrowed book. Showed a new kid around.
Small acts, big heart. The hall bursts into applause.
Kindness Variety Award.
Let's buy picture books for the library.
And weekly food packs for the grandfather in the alley. That afternoon,
The kitten you fed is sunning on my balcony. I've named him Pridai, heart.
the jar grows lighter, the city grows heavier with goodness.
Next week, the Good Words Only Challenge.